लग गया तो तीर नहीं तो तुक्का. I can't stay भुक्का.
Hi, welcome to Ball Talk. And today we are talking about Hunter. मतलब ऐसे पिक्चर है जिसके लिए शो बना है भाई. And to talk about the film, I have Harshvardhan Kulkarni, the director of the film. Radhika Apte. I forgot others. Sorry, Gulshan Devaya. And shall we just start talking, because the more I look this side, the more it will be difficult for me to continue.
Okay.
Hunter starts off on rather refreshing note. Mother. What is this? MADAR. Has she actually written this?
Mandar.
Mandar. Okay.
Mandar.
I'm not kidding. She's really. This is what she's written.
कभी-कभी auto correct हो जाता
It is. I've not read the review.
See,
before.
auto correct also has a little fun.
But auto correct, why would it correct Mandar to Madar?
अरे उनको भी थोड़ा मजा करना है ना auto correct person.
Okay. Tripti's story on paper is interesting, but as she's played by the charming Radhika Apte, I agree with you. She's rather dull. I don't. Also, there is no fun in her character when we meet her. All that was risque and fun is now in the past. By the time she meets Mandar, she's done with it all. How irritating.
I mean, I don't think, and on paper, I don't understand. I mean, but she saw it on screen, right? So how would she even know whether it was good or not?
The premise that all boys change after they fall in love is too thin and predictable to keep you hooked for the 2 hours and 20 minutes of film runs. Also, the film stereotypes all married women as frustrated and willing to jump into bed with the first single eligible men. I wish I was living in that country. Mandar and his friend somehow continue to find single women with whom they have casual sex in his bachelor pad when they have nothing going on for them. It all seems set in some fantastical space, one you just don't buy in the end.
That's Jyotsna 1,
Correct.
who's a little bit unhappy probably in her marriage. Savita Bhabhi has 2 scenes where you come. Her face is so always quite bright and quite lovely. Yeah, that she's not unhappy or harrowed or like, I want sex or I want a person to. So Jyotsna is one character who is a little unhappy in her marriage, probably, which you can see in her eyes or her appearance. But that's all.
And it's so beautiful that she's the one who's starting it all.
Yeah.
He's not the one who's kind of going after her.
Yeah, exactly.
She's
She
the
calls
one
him.
who
She calls him up.
So how is it stereotypical or anything?
What I'm trying to say is, you always think about unhappy woman, one unhappy woman in the whole film.
Gulshan adds charm and cuteness to the Amol Palekar type of a guy who wants more colorful life and ends up being the player in his boys' gang. Was Amol Palekar anywhere in your head?
Yeah, when I read the script, I just got this whole the Amol Palekarish vibe from it, because it was really middle class. There was no glamour or any style written into Mandar's character. So perhaps this is the reason why the other reviewer didn't like my thing, because they're too used to really nicely combed hair. And, today I've used some hair products, so maybe it'll change their opinion.
It'll change the perception.
Yeah, but it's okay. You can't please everybody.
ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि मतलब प्लेबॉय वर्ड बोला तो ऐसा मतलब सॉब और डैपर और वैसा होना चाहिए. हमारे जैसे नॉर्मल लोग
ये भी हो सकते हैं, आप भी हो सकते हैं, आप भी हो सकते हैं और आप भी हो सकते हैं.
What's your like real life score?
मेरा रियल लाइफ स्कोर तो एक उंगली में, एक हाथ में काउंट कर सकता हूँ. एम्बैरेसिंग है, इसीलिए मैं
कई बार काउंट करेंगे.
इसीलिए मैंने इतना अच्छा किया ना रोल, ये मंदार पोंक्षे का कैरेक्टर. अपेरेंटली इतना भी अच्छा नहीं किया. I think मुझे लगा.
No, Harshvardhan, what's your score? This is ball talk. You can talk anything.
think here I have to jog my memory.
That
and
much?
Yeah. It's quite a lot.
Wow. किताब घर पे छोड़ के आए.
Diaries खत्म हो गए मेरे.
Radhika, I don't want to know. Just break my heart. I don't want to get into it.
मान लीजिए मेरा बहुत बड़ा स्कोर है, मतलब मैंने सचिन तेंदुलकर से भी ज्यादा रन बनाए.
X नंबर है.
मान लीजिए कि मैंने सचिन का रिकॉर्ड भी तोड़ा है और ये भी बहुत बड़े खिलाड़ी हैं, दोनों का मिला के वो तोड़ देगी बाय माइल्स. मतलब शी इज लाइक द डॉन ब्रैडमैन.
Okay.
हंट्रेस, एक्चुअली हंट्रेस होना चाहिए.
This is okay. Let me go back to the review. We just got buttkawed in the scoring and all that. Till a point, the film holds interest as the premise of a boy refusing to grow into a man and conform to the society's idea of responsibility makes for a mighty interesting story. But unfortunately, the movie gets stuck in that awkward, self-obsessed teen phase along with Mandar.
Only by age he grows, but in terms of how he looks at, he perceives relationships and love and all that, it just becomes one fantasy after the other that he's living. So in a way, he's stuck over there. So perhaps this is a reference to that. But if it's that, then it's on purpose. I mean, that's the point of the story.
Probably she meant is the teens are too long or probably whatever. No.
I think that's what she means, that you get stuck there, it's not going. But that's the point. He is
चलो
stuck
यार,
there.
लेकिन वो फिल्म को एक तरह से परसीव कर सकते हैं, हम भी उनके रिव्यू को अपनी तरह से परसीव करेंगे. हमको ऐसे ही करना है. चलो, we are perceiving it this way.
If the film is guilty of anything, it's weak writing. There is a terribly sentimental moment that falls flat when he cries, reminiscing about his friend's urinating habits.
My son sleeps exactly like me.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so beautiful. So that's the whole point. I mean, these are all genes, these are all DNA.
Yeah, you had parallel
This is-
cutting between the son and his father.
This is just a trigger for it. It was never about humor.
After a while, the LOL, just kidding, what really happened was style of narrative gets annoying.
That is 50-50% because yesterday when we watched it in the theater, they were just falling apart. Probably the largest CT मेरे को जो गेटी में मिला, उस पे मिला. कि चैक्स वाले पे, मेरे लगा रे.
The stress review of the week. So you guys will need to hold these stress balls and keep pressing them because
इसमें reverse swing होता है क्या?
कुछ भी है जैसा आपको ठीक लगे. Please hold this. Kulkarni hopes to distract us from the smug misogyny in Hunter with a couple of tropes. One is to show a dramatic scene and then reveal it to be a dream sequence. The other is to drag the story back and forth in time.
We are shown Mandar as a 12-year-old, then taken forward 20 years only to get 6 months forward, and then 2 months back, and then a year later to 6 months ago in the present.
Albert Einstein and Stephen Hawking might feel dizzy at the way time zips around in Hunter.
Yeah, go for it.
So shall
Go
we?
for it? Yeah.
You go first. We'll go reverse.
I know
Picture की तरह.
Actually, मैं तो देख लिया था, मैंने इधर से महसूस करने लगा कि
एक हाथ खुजली हो रही है.
तुम जैसे धार लगा रही थी चाकू पे.
I understand that that's too irritating, and I'm just getting a bit confused, and that's stopping me from getting involved.
Yeah.
I understand your point of view. That's your point of view. I respect that. But I'm saying that it's so making you dizzy that you, oh God, what was the story? What happened? That's a bit far-fetched. That's all I mean.
Her personal opinion, I completely agree and respect. Her head was dizzy or tizzy or whatever. I'm ready to buy her a Disprin. I really don't know what would have happened to her when she would have seen Memento. I mean, that would have been like grave. She would have gone
Inception.
anything.
He's the dude in disguise of a Marathi mulga. It's the women who make you cringe because they embody fifth dimensional idiocy. It's to Devaya's credit that we care for Mandar despite the fact that he confirms the prevalent notion that regardless of their actual age, all Indian men basically possess the maturity of a 12-year-old boy. You've been watching my show too much. Mandar remains the same hormonal mess and only decides to change his ways when he's in danger of being exposed. And that the one person a sex addict doesn't have any sexual contact with is the woman he says he wants to marry isn't weird or anything. Hooray for middle class morality.
ये जो morality middle class का ये वो है सब कुछ है. He says in the dialogue because the scene has been cut off, but dialogue में है. अगर सुनते हैं तो ठीक है समझ जाएंगे कि यार ज्योत्सना के बारे में भी पति को मालूम था उसके कि ये सब हो रहा था. छोड़ा क्या उसने? नहीं छोड़ा. Correct. So what is the big issue then? So the point that was being made was, yaar, if people are okay with it, it's not such a big deal.
One of the most chilling aspects of Hunter is how candid Tripti is with Mandar, but is completely blind to him lying to her. Thanks to Apte, Tripti comes across as a vibrant woman that many of us can relate to, which is why the fact that she is conned by Mandar becomes a particularly bitter pill to swallow.
I think she is extremely smart, but she's extremely hurt because of her past relationship, and she's reached a place where she feels that I'm not getting younger. I need to get married.
Which are all lines in the script. What you're
Exactly.
saying is they are lines in the
the script. And let's see who's the first guy. She meets Mandar. She rejects him.
Yeah.
To begin with, because she's not in love. So what I'm trying to say is it's a compromise, and it's not that she's dumb or oblivious to him hiding. Also, when he explains to her that I am a Vasu, she doesn't actually. He expects that she'll break everything and she'll ask me to get out of the house, which she doesn't.
I wanted to ask you, I don't know too many women.
No, tell me.
Like guys like Vasu do exist, I know that.
Yeah.
Are there girls like?
Of course, and they're
What are they
smarter.
called?
Nothing. They're smarter than guys, and they do it, and guys don't even
tag,
realize.
They don't tag.
Like
They
for
don't
example,
tag, nothing.
seriously, like he slept with a few people, which is why he hasn't Mandar. Slept with a few people.
You can talk about Gulshan
He's
also.
being like, oh, I'm Vasu and this is, and she says, yeah, okay, fine, I just had an abortion. Sorry, I mean, I'm just, but that's even a step further ahead. But what I'm saying is that she's pretty, she takes it in a very different stride. And so I think, of course, women are like that. again, this misogynistic thing, no, I feel you need to know the context of where it is happening and in what regard it is happening. We're not saying that, oh, show the boobs and pelvic thrusting and just show the women that they are basically meant to.
elaborate on what it exactly means?
Saying that women are basically there to fuck.
Radhika Apte's character, which makes Mandar contemplate quitting his Vasugiri for love, has a horribly contrived backstory, and the resolution is as implausible as it is painful to watch. It means your relationship with Jax.
Jax, of course.
That's
of
what she's
course.
talking about. It's contrived and it is implausible. I think that
How
was
can it be
very realistic.
implausible? That's extremely realistic. Do you know how many women
Go through this.
abortion?
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी फिल्मिस्तान की
Because the movie attempts to be more than Boys Will Be Boys and actually boasts of female characters who have some semblance of personality, although it doesn't quite pass the Bechdel test. You know about the Bechdel test? The test says that there should be at least one scene in a film which depicts two female characters talking, and they should not be talking about a man. That's called the Bechdel test. And 90% of Hollywood movies, I think more than 95%, 90% of all movies and 100% of Tamil and Telugu movies fail this test.
But ऐसा जरूरी है क्या?
Bechdel test pass होना चाहिए. Box office test pass
मैं
हो
भी
जाए.
12th fail हो गया लेकिन.
But in this, it was not possible at all because we are actually
subject is-
we are just following him,
exactly.
and the others are there. So it's I'm not even exploring her friends or anything of that sort.
फिर बोलेंगे कि अच्छा ये यहाँ पे एक ट्रैक किया था लेकिन वो कहीं डेवलप ही नहीं
उस
हुआ.
सीन का पिक्चर से क्या लेना
हाँ,
देना
लेना
था?
क्या है?
क्या?
So, sorry, but it's a nice test. I mean, whatever.
Okay, I'll continue. He says, here's the thing. I'm not sure it's possible to make a film about male sexual awakenings in India without being slightly politically incorrect. It's a very valid point. It's a very right observation. That being said, it is still problematic to adopt the male gaze to such an extent that a scene depicting teenagers attempting to grope middle-aged women in public for fun is turned into some sort of nostalgic sexual adventure.
It's actually a brush, which is not right or wrong. See, it's obviously wrong. I could have done away with even his masturbating scene.
Yeah.
See, the whole point was where did it start? How did it? What all happened in his? It's chronicles of Avasu. It was these small little things as kids and immature kids who did it. But as a grown-up, he's not doing all of that. Those
मैंने
little
भी
things.
किया है 10-12 साल में when you puberty में समझ नहीं आता suddenly आपकी cousin जो आप बहन बोल रहे हो suddenly their छाती फूल रहा है and you are looking at that. Now on hindsight when you grow समझ आती है तो you know that
You
was
should have
not
not looked
yeah
like that.
but at that time you don't know. Who do I ask? Do I ask my dad or my mom? Say like why is she looking different? Why can't we have a bath together in like how we used to when we were 5
Kids.
years old? Yeah. So also सवाल उठते हैं ना तो you don't know and suddenly you will discover something. You will discover that this feels nice. Yeah, but then the way you go about it is wrong.
Rajiv ji has given you 5 stars out of 2 stars
Oh,
out of.
what is your favorite sweet?
Sorry, Rajiv
What
ji.
is your favorite sweet? Tiger Balm.
Rajiv ji. 2 stars out of
I
5.
wish he had also slipped like this.
गलत टाइप हो जाता
Five
रिव्यू में.
stars. Oh shit, अबे हो गया type.
Hunter is far from fair in its depiction of women who are either portrayed as desperate for marriage becharis or unhappy, frustrated housewives, both conveniently becoming easy prey to Mandar's ever-wandering eye. The sexist stereotyping is one thing. More offensive is the fact that the women in the film are uniformly dumb.
3 people first reject you. 4th person also rejects you.
These are not dumb. How well?
No, that's what I'm saying. Who's the desperate marriage becharis I'm trying to find out? Because
That's
3
the
people,
desperate one.
3 people reject you. I think Mandar becomes easy prey for many
For women.
many women as well. And I think uniformly dumb. I think they're smarter than Mandar
तो
at
easy
many
prey का
places.
मतलब क्या हुआ इसको मतलब मुश्किल है उठा के ले जाएंगे क्या लड़की को?
No, I was just saying that she's smarter. Jyotsna is actually smarter because the game that she plays is that she's actually looking at you when Parul is coming to your flat, when you are not looking at
Yes.
her. And then when she's bringing milk and you go like that, she doesn't even look at you. And that's how women, I do that. Like you ignore when you notice that and then you ignore when they start giving attention and then she calls up. So it's a game. It's like, in fact, she's so smart that she
She's
plays
also
it.
controlling of the relationship.
Yeah, absolutely.
The concept seems interesting, but when it's not backed by a good story, it looks like the makers are just resorting to witless humor to get some eyeballs. Balls are good. Hunter seems nothing but another forced adult comedy.
That's a
Do you
different
think it is
matter
perceived
altogether.
like that because of the kind of promo you had or because of the kind of...
But again, even in the promo, there is just one dialogue which is people categorize it as double meaning and not pun.
Which is double meaning?
वो
They're all
छोटा
straight meaning.
चेतन, No, छोटा चेतन.
Chota Chetan.
But यार एक बच्चे को क्या बोलेगा वो? So he's just being smart about it and funny about cheeky about it. Other than that, the whole trailer did not have anything which was double meaning or crass. We didn't have a skin show. Nothing. I really don't know why it was then being looked as a sex comedy. So it's a perception issue. Yeah, it's funny. That's what people felt, and it's exciting. यार ऐसे कोई character की कहानी है. Exciting. So वो लोग perceive कर रहे हैं कि यार because we are talking about Mandar who's craving for sex all the time, so it is a sex comedy. It's a nice bracket, and I don't have a problem. Sex comedy बुलाओ यार कोई problem नहीं है.
It's a Bildungsroman.
Yeah.
It's a coming of age story. Yeah. You learn new things on this show. So this is a Twitter comment by Kalpana Nair. Her handle is @Kalpana Nair. Compare the reviews of Hunter by female critics against those by male critics. You'll get an idea how deeply set patriarchy is in India.
Really, a lot of men have also panned it. I mean, I don't know. You're questioning their sexuality. I'm sorry.
When it's done with sophistication of humor and smart one-liners, say like Hitch or Barney Stinson in How I Met Your Mother, men and women find the same sleazebag heroes adorable. But make him a little middle class, take away his pickup lines, give him average looks, and the same player is looked down as a creepy pervert.
Agree.
I agree, yeah.
This is online, and this is for adult audiences. I hope nobody under 18 is watching.
We'll put a
it.
disclaimer.
We used the word मैं चोदूं, correct? So there was a thing that यार चोदू बहुत गंदा वर्ड है. अगर तुम मैं फकर हूँ बोलता है ना तो ठीक
cool हो जाता है.
मुझे तो चोदू बड़ा क्यूट लगता है.
See that's the difference. हम लोग के गालियाँ जो है
छोटा
ना
सा एक पपी.
no गालियाँ जो है
हिंदी में बोलते हैं तो
motherfucker is still okay.
Cool.
Yeah. So
and okay.
bastard is okay. But
बट मैंने हैप्पी डे में मादर छोड़ना यार लिखा था तो बहुत बैंड बजे मेरे लोगों ने. Seriously.
So that's what I mean. I think it's also the language wala thing.
The bias is there.
There is.
Ladies, Hunter is a nightmare. And gentlemen, this is not a date movie. No sensible woman is going to feel kindly towards Indian men after Hunter. She says, by the time interval strikes, you wish Mandar's women had functioning brains and were lesbians, but that's a different fantasy. Deepanjana, too much information
My
for
God.
us.
I don't mind the information, but then that's a different movie.
I disagree.
It's a good sidetrack.
It's still not over. Just read this last part. There is one way to make Hunter feel bearable. Imagine it is the prequel to another Phantom production, NH10, and pretend Anushka Sharma's character is named Tripti instead of Meera, and she's married to a man named not Arjun but Mandar.
You know what they call people who pretend? Pretentious. No, I don't know. I just wanted to say something stupid.
Hunter is less grandmusty and more I am a sex addict, minus the explicit sex and the mockumentary approach.
Probably, I mean, could
You've
be.
seen I'm a sex addict.
Oh,
Have you seen Grandmasti?
No.
I've not seen Grandmasti either.
I thought I'm a sex addict was just a term.
No, it's a name
No, it's a movie. It's a name of a movie.
So we are actually not qualified to answer this.
We are not educated enough.
We have not seen the movie. You will have the feeling that filmmakers didn't knew how to conclude the film, didn't knew. I'm reading the way she's written.
Really?
Didn't-
New. Who's she?
Sorry, start that again.
Akshata Shetty.
I stopped taking it seriously there only. See, I disagree, but I can understand why she's feeling that way because I think she had certain expectations, and then sometimes you like adrak wali chai, sometimes you like plain chai.
Exactly, again, agree to disagree because it's a different point of view only. We want to
we-
show
we are the
something
makers
else. We
and
want to...
Surabhi Redkar, she's written this under the heading What's Bad. So she writes what's good also, but our research team is not interested in that,
We are
obviously.
only of the bad stuff.
Only bad.
We only want to squeeze
She
the
said-
balls.
The film drags in the second half and even loses the flavor that it builds in the first half. You wait badly for a climax and it does not satisfy you. Well, that's what she
Agree
said.
to
It's
disagree.
called
again,
tantric
what
sex.
you
वो
said.
जीवन भर चलता ही जाएगा. Climax कभी नहीं होगा. काट दो
ये
इसको.
मैंने सुना हुआ है. You wait badly for a climax and it does not satisfy you.
वो तो
I've heard this.
life story of most men.
Radhika Apte is super confident, no doubt, even if she overdoes the casually dumbfounded expression sometimes.
I don't know whether
I like it, so
I also
disagree.
like it.
disagree.
What is casually dumbfounded?
पता नहीं उसको
whatever,
पूछेंगे
yeah.
अभी.
He's giving you these things like मैं वासु. So you said no, I don't know.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
हाँ वही.
Or hi Tripti. So yeah, but that's all okay, yeah. I mean,
That's my face, yeah. What to
डोलिया.
look like
वो expressive eyes तो नजर नहीं आया उसको तो.
Hunter tries to be the Malgudi days of masturbation.
I disagree.
I like Malgudi Days a lot. So
Yeah,
if
me
even
too.
some reference of Malgudi Days with our film, I agree. I agree.
I wondered why in the world is this movie called something as silly as Hunter, and why was it being promoted like a lowbrow skin flick? So first thing is why Hunter with 3 R's? Numerology?
Hunter था कि एक तो he is hunting women, so that was the direct connect. And why was it promoted as a lowbrow
Skin flick.
skin flick? Where is the skin, please?
I wanted to know more about what makes him tick, makes your character tick. How does he feel when he notches up another conquest? Triumph? How about self-loathing and shame? Doesn't that go with the territory?
He's totally average. He's average in looks. He's average in the way he dresses. He's average in everything. Perhaps he's average in bed also. We don't know. He doesn't approach every woman like that also. He doesn't have those suave lines. He doesn't sweep them off their feet also. He overcomes his lack of courage and he tries. वो daring करता है और फिर जाके वो कुछ करता है. He's also looking for those matches. Not everybody. He doesn't approach every woman, right?
For Bollywood, where repression masquerading as respectability is still largely the name of the mainstream game, to create a leading man who can confess to being led by his nether regions is uplifting. But the sheer unevenness of the proceedings shows how difficult it is to go all the way in this kind of a film, where a man is a hunter, tick, and a woman, well, prey, tick, tick. But when you were writing the film, did you have this tick, tick kind of an approach कि हाँ मेरा हीरो ऐसा हो गया टिक, मेरी हीरोइन जो लड़कियां हैं फिल्म में वो ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स होंगे टिक टिक टिक, and I've got these things and now I'll.
You
No, obviously नहीं.
The trouble with Hunter is that it is largely banal. The existence of sex addicts is well documented and Mandar's journey is much too generic. Through all of this, we get no special insights into this kind of male who grows in years but not in sexual or any other kind of maturity. The women are written as a clutch of cliches too. The sweet virginal college kid type, Saxena, the buxom Savita Bhabhi type played by Tamankar, saved in the cell phone under that moniker, fulfilling the earth mother fecund nourisher stereotype, the dry-faced game-playing looking for afternoon action type, all tropes.
During the time when Jyotsna's character and Mandar's character are together, there are no cell phones. So it's not her number that he saved there as Savita Bhabhi. So I don't
It is
know.
Mrs. Sahai.
So that's why I said gotcha.
Yeah,
so,
that's
so
wrong.
like, come
Wrong
on,
observation.
come on, you watch the film, you critiqued us, you can't get the characters' names right.
people who've come from smaller towns can actually identify with that film much more. And my husband, who's English, for example, who's not culturally.
You have a husband?
Yeah.
You just broke
Who's-
10 million hearts.
Who's not culturally acquainted to this. I'm just saying, he was asking me a lot about our cultural things and specifics, in fact, in the film. So I don't think it's this cliche type at all.
I want to read out some of the Hindi reviews, the vernacular reviews, you know. This is in Navbharat Times. They have given you 2 stars out of 5. They have written movie type sex comedy. And it says, निर्देशक की कहानी पर पकड़ कुछ ज्यादा ही धीमी है, कई दृश्यों को बेवजह लंबा किया गया है, तो वहीं मंदार और ज्योत्सना पर फिल्माए कुछ सीन्स को भी कुछ ज्यादा बोल्ड ढंग से पेश किया गया है. इंटरवल के बाद की कहानी अपने ट्रैक से भटक कर लव स्टोरी में तब्दील हो जाती है, जो बोल्ड मूवी देखने आए दर्शकों के साथ बेईमानी करने जैसा है.
मैं ऑडियंस की राय जो जानना चाहता हूँ मैं इनसे नहीं जानना चाहता. मैं ऑडियंस के लिए तो मैं खुद ही ऑडियंस से मतलब जाके देख सकता हूँ. मैं तो गेटी में भी था कल, तो मुझे तो ऐसे कोई मतलब मैं टॉयलेट में भी गया था इंटरवल के बाद कि मैं कुछ सुन रहा हूँ क्या, सब लोग तो हंस रहे थे, तो मुझे तो कोई ऐसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं लगा.
अगर आपने इस फिल्म का ट्रेलर देख रखा है तो यकीनन अब फिल्म देखकर आप अपसेट हो सकते हैं. ट्रेलर में ऐसे बहुत से डबल मीनिंग संवादों के साथ बेहद हॉट बोल्ड सीन्स भी थे जिन पर पिछली कमेटी के सदस्यों को एतराज नहीं था. अब जब फिल्म सेंसर के पास होने के लिए पहुंची तब सेंसर बोर्ड की कुर्सी पर विराजमान चेयरपर्सन ने बोर्ड की प्रीव्यू कमेटी के सदस्यों को अप्रत्यक्ष तौर से कई ऐसे दिशा निर्देश जारी किए जिनकी कसौटी पर इस फिल्म के कुछ सीन्स और संवाद किसी भी कसौटी पर खरा नहीं उतर पाए. फिल्म सेंसर से क्लियर तो हो गई, लेकिन सेंसर के कुछ कट्स उन दर्शकों को यकीनन ठगा होने का एहसास दिलाएंगे.
ऐसे कोई दृश्य हमारे ट्रेलर में थे नहीं, तो हमको नहीं पता कि क्या किसकी बात कर रहे हैं. इन्होंने कौन सी ट्रेलर देखी है मुझे नहीं मालूम, तो इनको क्या पता है कि क्या कटा है क्या नहीं कटा है. हमारा एक्चुअली कटा है.
कैसे इतनी डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन इनके पास है?
दिस इज ऑल फिगमेंट ऑफ देयर इमेजिनेशन. दे आर राइटिंग अ स्क्रिप्ट.
What do you generally feel about criticism and reviews?
When Hasi To Wasi was released and I wrote that film, so that was the first time that I kind of got the criticism for my own film, right? And
in a very palpable way.
Yeah. For the first time. And I personally was quite apprehensive initially that how would I take it?
How would you
How
deal
would
with
I
it?
actually deal with it? And I was pretty much cool, yeah. And I really didn't get affected. And I thought I would be reading all of it at least 3-4 days later. Even till date, I haven't, yeah.
This film I had done, and so this she's young 20s, in her 20s girl, and her boyfriend one day just decides to leave. Leave as in not leave her.
What was the movie?
Bright Day.
Bright Day.
The day he leaves, she just sort of collapses and then tries to stop him, but says fucking go, blah 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 blah. So that was a very difficult scene for me to do, and I had done it, and in that I cried, obviously. And somebody reviewed it and said such bad things. My God, that scene, like basically when she started crying, I was like, what the fuck? Why was she crying?
Did it make you cry? Did the
No, it
review
did
make
not.
you cry more?
Never. I can take criticism really well, actually. You can't learn without criticism. And I don't completely agree with that man about crying. But to be honest with you, I did learn something from it, because till that point I thought that आँख में आंसू आ गए तो मतलब emotion आ रहा है.
Gulshan, mostly you've got good reviews from कोई बुरा बोलता नहीं है, आपके बारे में अच्छा ही सब बोलते हैं. So I'm going to ask you the other way, मतलब do you feel like do you feel little थोड़ा हवा आ जाती, थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है कि यार मैं डूडू थोड़ा मैं अच्छा एक्टर.
फिलहाल तो मैं थोड़ा I am bit लग रहा है कि मैं थोड़ा उड़ रहा हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों. वो है.
Maybe it's the balls.
से बॉल एक ही बॉल है नीचे.
Okay, now we come to the segment of Ball Talk which every critic has been waiting for. This is the gift segment. So I'm going to ask Gulshan, Harshvardhan and Radhika what gift they have got. किसके लिए आप गिफ्ट लाए हैं और क्या गिफ्ट लाए हैं और क्यों देना चाहते हैं. Starting with you, Gulshan.
My gift is basically for Raja Sen.
हाँ.
And he said Hunter is Malgudi days of masturbation. It's an incredibly funny line. I really laughed my ass off. But then masturbate this, man. This is for you. This is Tiger Balm. This is for you. इसको लो 61-62 करते रहो. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. It's pretty hard.
Janapal, this is for you. Because you think that this film is very sexist, I think we should do something. We should go out and give some action, maybe. So this is for you.
It's a pack of condoms.
Hey, it says excite me.
Yeah, it says
So we
excite
should
me.
go to men and say, excite me.
Yeah. Do you have a gift? for
Yeah, I have something which is really beautiful.
Oh, it's breath mints.
Breath mints.
किसी को specific देना चाहते हैं या
मैं बोलता हूँ छोड़ो यार उनको, वो नहीं डिजर्व करते. 0 stars. हम लोग सब शेयर
Share
करते हैं.
मेरे को भी मिलेगा?
टाइगर बम चाहिए क्या?
नहीं, टाइगर बम नहीं चाहिए. मैं ये दो चीजें काम चला लूंगा.
नहीं, अगर जोड़ो में कहीं.
Thanks for being on the show. We had great fun having you all. I hope you all enjoyed Ball Talk.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool show. It's fun. Where people just come here and share their viewpoints. So.
Yeah. और यहाँ condoms भी बढ़ते हैं.
हाँ, condoms, tiger balm, जोड़ों का दर्द का इलाज होता है. Bad breath का भी इलाज है. Popcorn भी है. And lots of balls.
Lots of balls.
रंगीन balls. If you like Ball Talk, please click on the subscribe button.
Like and subscribe Ball Talk with Mayur Puri.
Hi, if you like this show, then subscribe and follow Ball Talk with